Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Python on your Windows 11 PC. So first of all, you just need to open your browser and in the Google here search for Python. After searching for the Python, you'll find this link which is the www.python.org, which is the official website of the Python. So just click on it. And after that it will take you to this website and you need to go to this downloads option. And under the downloads option, you will find this download for Windows. So click on this Python 3.13.1, which is the latest version, and it will start to automatically download, as you can see, which is only 27 MB. So after finishing the download, just go to the folder, double click to run the exe file. Now this will show you the setup of Python. So you just need to check mark this use admin privilege when installing, and also add python.exe to path. Now you just need to click on customize installation. Now you will find this all optional features, so just leave all these options as it is. So make sure all these are check marked. Now click on next. Now here you need to check mark this install Python 3.13 for all users. Check this. Now this is the location where you will install your Python. Now just click on install. Now click yes, and it will start to install on your PC. Now as you can see, Python is successfully installed on my PC. Now we're going to verify the installation if the Python is successfully installed on my Windows 11 PC. So to check that, just go to the search bar, search for cmd, run as admin. Now to check the verify installation, just type here Python space -- version. Now press enter. Now as you can see, Python 3.13.1 version is installed on my PC. So that's it guys, this is how you can download and install the Python in your Windows 11 PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.